Today we've got a fresh leak on DJI's next action camera, the Osmo Action 6. We'll run through the key specs, what's new versus the previous model, and what it means if you're into vlogging, adventure filming or travel gear. I currently use a Osmo Action 5 Pro, which I love. However, one big problem that I have with is the 2-time optical zoom. I do travel vlogging, so sometimes I need a bit more than just 2-time zoom. Do you think Osmo Action 6 has come up with a solution to this? Let's dig deep into this new tech gear. DJI has confirmed that the Osmo Action 6 is scheduled for launch on the 18th of November 2025 in the UK. Design-wise, it's slimmer and lighter than the Osmo Action 5, yet maintains the rugged build, supports 8K at 30 frames per second, also 5.3K at 60 frames per second, and 4K at 120 frames per second. Upgraded stabilization. Rocksteady 4.0 plus 0 stabilization modes for ultra smooth footage. Battery life improved up to 4 hours continuous use. Action 5 was around 2 hours. Submersible to 20 meters without extra housing. Built-in mic system with enhanced wind noise reduction. For travel vloggers, the variable aperture plus bigger sensor means better footage in dim locations, indoors, evening shoots. With 8K/30 frames per second and serious stabilization, you're getting near cinematic quality on a compact camera. For creators who already own Action 5, backward compatibility of mounts and lenses means you won't need to overhaul your accessory setup. Variable aperture from f/2.0 to f/4.0, meaning more control over exposure and depth of field, better for low light. Do you think f/4.0 is enough for vloggers? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. In terms of value, at $379 or £329, you're getting a lot of high-end features for the price. Camera and value, top-tier specs, but don't want to spend big-budget cinema gear. The Osmo Action 6 looks like a very compelling option. Of course, we'll want to wait for official release and real-world review footage. So there you go. If you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our hands-on review when it drops. Also, drop a comment below. What feature on the Action 6 are you most excited about? The 8K video, the variable aperture, or maybe the long battery for marathon shooting? Or what are your thoughts on zooming capability? Do you think Osmo Action 6 should have better zoom than Osmo Action 5 Pro? Thanks for watching Tech Gear Reality. See you in the next one.